Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. Today we are going to talk about another type of array, and that is data frame. Now, it's strongly recommended for you to watch my episode about matrix data type, because those two are very similar. Data frame can do everything matrix can, but even more. And what is so special about it? With matrix, you could hold only single type of primitive through entire matrix. But with data frame, you could have multiple types of columns, meaning you are still limited in regards of primitives, but only on level of columns. Meaning you could have one column of type numeric and another column of type character, for example. But you cannot store multiple primitive data types in single column. Now, if you want to create data frame, you are going to use data.frame function. And now column names are going to be provided as optional argument. Let's say name, and values for that column are going to be provided as collection. Let's say, and let's create one more. So, name of your column and values in collection. But now we are limited with a number of elements, so now we have to provide 4 elements. All right, and now I'm going to print this data frame out. And wonderful. So as you guess, data frame is best suited for data formatting and presentation. And of course, if you want to append single column, you can do that easily with cbind function. So we are going to append with cbind to data frame A, let's say zodiac signs. And here we go. And now I'm going to print this out. Now we have our column elements, but the problem is this ugly column name. We are going to solve that with call name function for data frame A, and we are going to provide collection of elements. So we are going to have name, age, and let's say zodiac. Now I'm going to print this out, and much better. Of course, if you want to append single row, you're going to do that with row bind, rbind to data frame A, and values are going to be mic 20 and let's say Cancer. I'm going to print it out. Now with data frame you could do all sorts of slicing, same like in case of matrix. Let me show you. So I want only second and third row, and I want to exclude third column. Now if you want to print values from single column, you can do that in this way. So now we are going to ask from data frame A values from column name, like this. So now we have data frame, and this $sign is separating name of data frame and the name of column we are looking for. Run it, and we are going to get these 5 elements. But that's not the only thing. I can do something like this. In angle brackets, I'm going to provide condition. I want names of all of people with age less than 20. So I'm going to ask for data frame A, column age, value less than 20. If I run this code, I'm going to get only one value eliminated. Or we could ask for names of people with zodiac sign of Leo. Only John and Mikey. And now, just for the sake of fun, I want to calculate sum of ages of all people with zodiac sign of Leo. How to do that? Instead of name, I'm going to ask for age, and I'm going to wrap all of that with function sum, like this. Okay, as you see, R treats these values as a character type. So what we have to do, we have to convert these values into numeric. So with function as numeric, and wrap all of this, run it again, and all right, we got value 32. And now if you want to provide more conditions to this expression, that is easy thing to do. Let's say that I want all of values from column age, where zodiac sign it's Leo, or or zodiac sign, it's Virgo. Like this, run it. Okay, we have value of a 51 right now. And we also could say something like this. Instead of or, we are going to use and change from zodiac to age, where age it's less than, let's say, 17. If I run this code, we are going to get another result. So guys, this may look complicated at the first look, but if you give it a try, you are going to realize that it's more than simple and extremely handy way to search through your data. So guys, that's all for this episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see ya!